Hi guys. Okay, I'm going to review Snow Day Packet 3. You did this back on Tuesday. Okay, so the first thing you should have done is write a descriptive story about going on a walk through the snowy woods. Remember, descriptive stories use all of our 5 senses. Okay, so make sure that that is included in there. Religion, you should have said 1 decade of the rosary, and you should have done 3 good deeds. Okay. All right, let's find our simple solutions page. Okay, number 1, add commas where needed. So you should have said, I cleaned the kitchen, comma, washed the dishes, comma, and swept the floor. Okay, number 2 was to rewrite your address, add a comma, capitalize all proper nouns. Okay, so I just used St. Joseph's School, so that should have been where your name goes. And then here's your street name and your number. Okay, remember, abbreviate where you can. And then your city, state, and zip code. So Danville, and remember, always a comma between city and state, and then your zip code. State, remember, 2 capital letters, no periods. Okay. Number 3, we had to insert commas again. We saw lions, comma, tigers, comma, bears, comma, and elephants at the circus. Add commas where needed. Again, you can use a pen, comma, a pencil, comma, or crayons to write your letter. 5, underline the verbs and then tell me if it's past, present, or future. The cats play with each other. Play should be underlined. That's your verb, and it is present. Okay, again, the same thing. Tommy is a kind person. Is your verb, and it is present. Number 7, underline the verb. Okay, same thing. So Jimmy caught a fish. Caught, and that is past. Okay, same thing. Math will play a big role in your future. Will play, and that is future. Add ing and ed to plot. So we have plotting, plotting. Okay, remember, short word, short vowel, double the consonant. Plotted, plotted. Okay, now we got to add ness and ly to the word sloppy. So sloppiness, sloppiness. Remember the rule, consonant y, change the y to I, and then add your ending. Sloppily, sloppily. Okay, ed or ing to the word train. Training, training, and trained, trained. Okay, so yes, that word ends with a consonant. However, we don't double it because that vowel is long. The correct homophone, my mom cut my hair, Hair. All right, on to our alphabet page. All right, so you should have had all your D words here, and then you alphabetize them. All your G words, J words, Q words, and then alphabetize them. So I'm going to go down the D's. Dangerously, developing, differentiate, dimmer, distinctest, distinctively, and dwarfing. Okay, let's look at the G's. Gagging, gambling, gashed, gaunting, germinated, globally, and grubbiest. J's, jaunting, jawed, jettisoning, jolted, jostle, juicy, and justifiably. Q's, quadruplet, quagmire, quandaries, quantitative, quarterbacking, queenliest, and quench. Okay. Next is your action verbs. Okay. All right. So we have to write the action verb from each sentence. Number 1, an old man searches for buried coins on the beach. Searches. 2, the sun filled the room with warmth. Filled. 3, the computer started with a loud beep. Started. 4, the elephant trampled all over the plants. Trampled. 5, the pizza cooks slowly in the brick oven. Cooks. Sit down over there. Sit. 7, I purchased the software from an online store. Purchased. 8, we ate dinner at 7 o'clock today. 8. 9, the dog sleeps all day. Sleeps. And 10, the students hurry to class after recess. Hurry. 11, the dog barked at the chubby mailman. Barked. I purchased the game from an online store. Purchased. All right, then at the bottom here, you had to put all these pieces together to make a sentence. It's all scrambled. All right, so number 13, you should have come up with, the pair of monkeys laugh at the children. 14, the students hurry to class after recess. 15, the dog sleeps all day. Okay, and then the next was your math. Okay, and I'm just going to show you your answer key on my finger. Okay, so you can pause that, make sure you have all of those correct. All right, so that's that. Next is our snow day adventure. Okay, story and questions. Okay, all right, here we go. Again, we're starting at the top. Comprehension. Okay, how well did you read the story? Number 1, Callie most likely lived in C, a Midwestern state. Number 2, Callie and her grandmother liked A, to go sledding. Number 3, when Callie's mom stopped them in the driveway, she probably hoped they would C, change their minds. Number 4, in what way is the sledding trip the same as their trips in the past? A, they timed each other. Number 5, what was different about the hill after they had been sledding for a while? C, the snow became slush. Number 6, paragraph 13 describes how B, scared Kaylee felt. Number 7, according to the story, Gran and Snow go together like C, peanut butter and jelly. I might have that for my lunch today. All right, down to learn about words. Learn about words. All right, here we go. Number 1, wool from a sheep. From paragraph 3, fleece. Number 2, put on, clothed. Paragraph 6, donned. Number 3, made a movement. Paragraph 6 again, motioned. Number 4, an electrical system that provides a spark to start a car. 12 would be, that's from paragraph 12, ignition. Number 5, sank, dug. From paragraph 16, burrowed. Okay, over to part B. Now we got to find a word that fits in the sentence correctly. Number 6, the baby was blank up in a snowsuit, bundled. 7, she blanked at her reflection in the mirror, glanced. Number 8, the wood blank against the shoreline, drifted. Number 9, as he heard the news, okay, let's try that one again. As he heard the news, he was suddenly overcome with relief. And number 10, she found herself in an awkward predicament. Okay. All right, on to the back page, which is your word study. Okay. All right, so these are pairs of words in this section refer to moving. So in each pair, one word is more exact than the other. Select the more precise word. All right, so number 11. The injured lamb limped behind the flock. Number 12. Angrily, the captain strode across the lawn. Number 13. He leaped to his feet with the winning ticket clutched in his hand. 14. Cougars prowl the mountainside in search of food. 15. It is pleasant to wander through the fields on a sunny day. 16. They realized that the bear had ranged over a large area of the countryside. 17. The band paraded in front of the large crowd. And 18, the wild dog scurried out of sight when people came too close. Okay, let's go on to D, last section. All right, so there are 3 words in each row. 2 of the words are synonyms. We need to find the word that is not a synonym with the other 2 words. 19, old, valuable, aged. Valuable would be your answer. 20, lean, heavy, slender. Heavy would be your answer. 21, entire, complete, useful. Useful would be your answer. 22, plan, plot, seize. Seize would be your answer. 23, frail, fragile, playful. Playful would be your answer. 24, articles, items, owners. Owners would be your answer. And 25, swooped, escaped, dived, escaped would be your answer. Okay, so that is Snow Day Packet 3. Hopefully this will download and it'll be all together and we'll be good to go in one video. If not, I will make 2 videos and I will send you those as soon as I can. I did say earlier that it was going to be a nice day, but guess what? It's not very nice out. It's raining right now at my house, so try maybe to do a go noodle if you can to get out and exercise and get some fresh air. But it is supposed to be kind of warm out, so hopefully it'll stop raining at some point and we can get outside. All right, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later.